Our hands often take a lot of abuse from activities and from frequent washing, as well as dishwashing and potentially harmful chemicals in cleaning products, and they don't tend to be cared for as much as one's face. There are also many factors that make hands look older, including age spots, wrinkles and creped skin, thin skin, dryness, and stained or brittle nails. You can take years off the look of your hands by treating these issues. And by taking care of your hands, eating well, avoiding the sun, and maintaining an overall healthy lifestyle, you can have glowing, younger-looking hands for many years to come. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and hit the bell button to keep you notified and updated with our latest videos. We are trying our best to give you the most informative health-related videos, regularly. What are the main causes of aging in the hands? The skin on the back of the hands is naturally thin and is one of the first to give away signs of aging skin. The most important external factor in aging the hands is excessive sun exposure, which causes blemishes, pigmentation and destroys collagen and elastin in the skin. These are the two main scaffolding proteins that provide the plumpness and elasticity of youthful skin. Internal causes that causes the hands to look old are mainly due to genetic factors. But also the loss of estrogen in menopause causes further loss of collagen in the skin of the hands for women. Here are 5 simple steps to make your hands look younger. 1. Moisturize your hands regularly. When you're using treatments and creams on your face, it doesn't hurt to apply some to your hands too, especially if they are products that boost collagen production, to help plump up the thin skin on the backs of your hands. Just make sure the products don't cause peeling or increased sensitivity to sunlight. Using lotions and creams will help lock in the moisture and help your hands look younger by plumping up the skin. Dermatologists recommend using treatments that include ingredients like shea butter, olive oil, vitamin E and macadamia nut oil. 2. Massage your hands regularly. Rub a small amount of olive or coconut oil into your hands before bed to help moisturize your skin and improve circulation. Add some sugar to the mix for the additional benefit of exfoliating your skin at the same time. Be gentle as you massage, and be sure to get the back of your hands, palms, fingers, and your cuticles and nails. If you used sugar as well, rinse it off when you are finished the massage, otherwise, your hands will get sticky. 3. Wear gloves for chores. Hot water and cleaning solution can be super drying and cause the skin to crack. Prevent it at the source by wearing gloves when you're doing anything from washing dishes to scrubbing the tub. Try applying lotion before putting them on to soak in moisture while you work. 3. Use a flattering nail polish. While things like black polish or nail art might be the hottest trends right now, they could just look severe and further age mature hands. But the right shade could help spruce up your hands and draw attention away from age spots or visible veins. Style experts recommend steering away from fads like glitter, overly long nails, or square shapes. While you may be tempted to use nude polishes so that you don't draw attention to your hands, a pop of color can actually help your hands look younger. 4. Exfoliate your hands regularly. Dead skin cells can not only make your skin look flaky and dull, but they can also keep treatments from sinking in. As with your face, make sure you use a gentle exfoliator, nothing too abrasive because it can scratch the surface of your skin. You can even make your own treatment at home by using a teaspoon of sugar combined with a hydrating oil, like coconut oil. 5. Wear sunscreen. Sure, we apply sunscreen with fingers and palms, but how often do the backs of your hands get a swipe? Trade your usual hand cream for one with SPF anytime you're headed out into the sun. It'll help fight against premature aging, sun damage and the worst offender of all, wrinkles. We put our hands through a lot, so it makes sense that they age quicker than almost any other body part. And no matter how youthful your face looks, damaged skin on the back of your palms will always blow the cover on how old you really are. That is unless you start taking care of them now. Do you know other simple things that prevent hands looking older? If you do, please share it in the comments section down below. Make sure to like or share this video with your friends to inform them as well. Please also watch our other health videos to help this channel grow and reach a wider audience. Thanks for watching The Health Room.